Ready to turn your masterpiece into a VASE winner? I'm here to guide you through the VASE practice, student intent, and artwork identification form. This is your chance to tell the story behind your art. We'll keep it fun with examples, title ideas, and pro tips. Let's dive in. And remember, save your work often. It doesn't auto-save. Start with the basics. Your name. If it's 2D or 3D, your art credits, teacher's name, artwork size, like 18 by 24 inches, and a URL for animations. Now, the fun part, titling your artwork. Make it pop. Instead of cat drawing, try whiskers in the shadows for mystery, or feline fury if it's bold. Draw from emotions, a stormy landscape, raging horizon, abstract, echoes of chaos. Tip, keep it under 10 words and let it hint at your message. Brainstorm 3 to 5 options before picking. Section 1. Check what inspired you. Box 1 for original photos you took. Include them in your reference PDF. Box 2. Sketches, observation, or imagination. Add your doodles and notes to the PDF. Box 3. Only if it's an original photo entry. Share process notes or a contact sheet. Tip. Compile everything into one PDF under 5 megabytes. No shortcuts. Judges check originality. Section 2. Explain your artwork's purpose or influences in 20 to 100 words. High school VASE or 10 to 100 junior VASE. Example. My piece explores urban loneliness, inspired by Edward Hopper's Quiet City Scenes. I wanted to show isolation in a bustling world through muted colors. Tip. Research artists online. Who sparks your style? Be honest. This shows your thought process. Check word count in Word. Highlight and click the icon. Section 3. What media? Acrylic paint because it dries fast and layers vibrantly. Why? It captures my energetic style. How produced? I sketched outlines, built layers with bold strokes, added texture with sponges. Elements/principles. Used contrast for drama and rhythm in repeating shapes. Tip. 10 to 100 words per part. Focus on why to show choices. For junior VASE, aim for shorter but meaningful. Section 4. Aesthetic decisions. Choose cool tones for calm. Crop tightly for focus. It heightened emotion. Section 5. Personal touch. This reflects my love for nature. Imagining a world where trees whisper secrets. Pure me. Tip. 20 to 100 words each. Use the note space for extras. Practice here, then copy and paste online before the deadline. If over 100 words, add to your reference PDF. Stay original, be creative. Your art's unique voice shines. Questions? Ask your teacher. Now go fill it out and own that VASE entry. You got this.